going to do a quadruple grid clearing. And we are going to do this of our space. Okay, so in order to do this clearing, we're going to call upon 4 groups to support this clearing. First group is the Legions of Michael, and these are the angelic realms associated with Archangel Michael. And they are good at infusing energy into a structure and maintaining the structure itself. Next is the Destroyer Force Angels, and these angelics go into the deepest parts of the karma game, and they clear out on the highest levels. And these are being used specifically to clear out the space, allowing it to emerge into its next highest level. We then have Zior Continuum, and these are a group of beings. They originate from another universe, and they're pure energy beings. They are sentient. And they're like the sentient embodiment of physical forces like gravity, electricity, magnetics. And they've come to assist Earth and all of her inhabitants through the electromagnetic shifts that we are experiencing. And lastly, we have Circle Security, and they're like the cosmic traffic police force. And their job is to set up, keep clear, and maintain interdimensional and interuniversal communication grids. Now let us begin with the quadruple grid technique, specifically used to clear space. So this is good for workspace, home space. And this is how it goes. Legions of Michael, grid level 1, spherical around this space. Destroy Force Angels, grid level 2, spherical around this space. Zior Continuum, grid level 3, spherical around this space. Circle Security, grid level 4, spherical around this space. So you will feel these spherical grids forming around you, around your space. Destroyer Force Angels, please spin your grids, reabsorbing into the light all energies of all previous sessions, astral entities, stray electromagnetic frequencies, fear, disharmony, anger, adverse astrological influences, expectations and frustrations, viruses, fungi, bacteria, worry, astral distortions, miscommunications, sadness, enemy patterning, scarcity, loneliness, and anything else that hasn't been mentioned in this or any other language that needs to leave the space at this time. And just feel those fields spinning in one direction. Lots of energy residue spinning out. I'm just waiting for the fields to completely clear. Okay. And slowing down now. And it is done. Reverse spins, same stuff, please. Now reversing, spinning out in the opposite direction. Letting that run. Letting it clear out all that energy. Very good. Feeling it slow down now. And spin is stopping. Thank you. Stop spin. Thank you. Legions of Michael, please activate your grid with the energies of grace, purity, hope, faith, liberty, peace, harmony, mercy, rapture, and victory, Elohim, love, intimacy, the unified chakra, clarity, full connection to spirit, tolerance, clear communication, health, abundance, following spirit without hesitation, mastery, sovereignty, serenity, centeredness, living heaven, and anything else that hasn't been mentioned in this or any other language, but which you know needs to be in the space at this time. And just feel the fields filling up with all that beautiful energy, all that frequencies, codes, harmonics, symbols. Beautiful. Thank you. Seal grid. Thank you. So your continuum, please set your grid for harmonization and optimization of electrical, magnetic, and gravitational frequencies. And please ensure that all the electronic and mechanical devices in this space remain harmonized with our fields, and that any electromagnetic surges, ley line activity, Schumann resonance, and any other magneto-gravitational events and conditions occurring in this area, they all remain harmonized in frequency with those in the space and with the devices in the space. Thank you. Thank you. Circle security, please realign and reharmonize with the upper dimensional grid works, clearing all parasites and all distortions off the grids. Please infuse frequencies for clear communication with spirit. And seal the grid. Thank you. Take a nice deep breath. And just centering into the heart.